Good morning, students. Welcome to the second day of computer class. We were in the first chapter, computer network. Hope you all have watched the videos, whatever I have sent in the last class. And I hope you have understood it. Nobody have asked me any doubts in the group, so I thought all of you have went through the video and you have understood it. Having that in my mind, I am just going forward today. Let us see what all things we learned in previous class. In previous class, we had communication. What we learned, what is communication, and we had a comparison between communication between human beings and communication between computers, and we checked. And we learned how a computer communication takes place. What are the things required for a communication between computer? And next we learned what is computer network. In that we learned its actual definition and why we need a network, why we have to use network, that we have seen. And after that, we had two important terms related to network, that is network user and server and workstations. So till here we have finished in the last class. So if anybody have not went through these the previous videos, please go through that and then start watching today's video. Otherwise you won't understand anything about network and all and other concepts. Okay, so today I'm going to start from the concept called types of network. As we know that the network is nothing but connecting two or more computers to each other and sharing some data, sharing some information, sharing the devices or whatever we want, we share it. So that becomes network, right? When the computers are connected to each other, that becomes network. So uh, in what all ways we can connect, we can create a network. Okay, so we have segregated, we have categorized the different types of networks into many network types like LAN, local area network, wide area network, metropolitan area network, and personal area network. So these are the four types of networks we have categorized. So mainly you have to keep one thing in your mind. These four types of networks is been categorized depending on the area the computers cover. Okay, it depends on the area. The difference between these all types like LAN, WAN, MAN, and PAN. The difference between these all networks are nothing but its area coverage. In how much distance the computers are kept. I mean, in what area the complete network is been covering. So this is the difference between these types. So in the first type, it is LAN, in local area network. It just you can have a simple area, a small area, okay, such as home, school, our computer lab. We can take it is the best example. The our computer lab condition, the how the computers are arranged and what is the area. It's just covering a single room, right? So it's a small geographical area. So the complete network of 40 computers is covering only a small geographical area. It is called LAN. Okay, local area network, the network that connects the computers and the devices in a limited geographical area such as home, school, computer laboratory, office, building, or closely positioned. Closely positioned means very small area, group of buildings. So this is called LAN. When a computers are being connected to a network in a small area. Okay, the computers can be connected through wire and also wirelessly. Okay, using wire we can connect, and also wirelessly we can connect. The LAN which in our computer lab, it is wired one. Okay, wires are there. You might have seen in between the computers we have so many wires passing together. So those so our computers are our LAN connection is connected using wire. Okay, so it is LAN, and in LAN itself we have one more type called WLAN. WLAN is nothing but wireless LAN. If we have a network connection, say using a Wi-Fi or using some infrared rays or any other wireless connections we have, if we are using for connecting different computers or laptops or phones, that we call it as wireless LAN, wireless local area network. So WLAN is one of the type of LAN. Okay, so that is what LAN is. And next type is WAN, wide area network. The wide area network is just like you just imagine it's computers in different cities is being connected together. You can think of different branches of banks, or branches of banks will be in different cities, right? Or cities, or even in the states. Even in states, different districts will be having. For example, in Karnataka itself, one bank's branches will be there in different districts. So their servers will be connected to a network. Their computers will be connected on a network. That we call it as wide area network. When wide area network is connected over a large geographical area, such as entire city, region, or even an entire country, okay, that we call it as WAN. It is wide area network. Its region is big compared to LAN. Okay, so the best example for wide area network is our internet. As we talked about internet in the last class, I told you the connection of the network, a big network or fishnet is connected, covered entire world. So it's covering the wide area, right? A big network of computer is been connected throughout the country or throughout the globe. That is internet. So internet is the best example for wide area network. Internet is following wide area network style. Okay, so that is what WAN is. So after WAN we have MAN. MAN is metropolitan area network. It just connects a city, okay, inside a city. uh, Network that connects the local area networks in, for example, you just observe this diagram. You just imagine that in a city, this is a city, and here in this building we have a LAN. Okay, you just imagine, and just think this is a school, and here also we have a LAN, and this is one apartment, here also we have a LAN, and in this building also we have a LAN. But these all LANs are connected together. Okay, just imagine here also a LAN. LAN means a small area of networks, maybe around 20 to 30 computers connected, and inside this also. And these LANs, LAN 1, LAN 2, LAN 3, LAN 4, LAN 5, all these 5 LANs are connected to each other. That becomes metropolitan area network, MAN. When more than one LANs are connected, that becomes MAN. Understood? So that is MAN. Next comes PAN, personal area network. Just think in your home, if you have a Wi-Fi router, and through that Wi-Fi you will connect your phone, you will connect your laptop and other mobiles of your home, your parents' phone, all these devices, and if you have Bluetooth speakers, all and all these things you will connect to each other. That becomes a small network inside your home. Okay, only inside your home. That becomes personal area network. That small network, whatever you have inside your home, that we call it as personal area network. It can be using Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or any other methods. This and files also we share very less, like small songs, pictures, photos. Okay, not big files. But in LAN, MAN, and WAN we share servers, we share big databases. Okay, okay. Sharing is the contents we share is also big in these three types: LAN, WAN, and MAN. But in